Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Purple color, blue color, sky blue color, pink color, brown color, orange color, yellow color, green color, black color, light green color, light pink color, and red color. Kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. So kids, now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.